Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what makes up everything around us? From the air we breathe to the water we drink, and even the chair you're sitting on, it's all matter. But what exactly is matter, and what makes it behave the way it does? Think about it. Everything you can touch and feel, even the stuff you can't see like air, is made up of tiny particles called atoms and molecules. These little guys are constantly moving and grooving, and their behavior determines the properties of matter. Today, we're diving deep into the properties and states of matter with some cool experiments you can try at home or in the classroom. Get ready to explore solids, liquids, gases, and maybe even something a little stranger. Alright, science fans, let's kick things off with a classic experiment that demonstrates the amazing ability of matter to change states. For this experiment, you'll need an ice cube and a clear glass. Place the ice cube into the glass and observe. You'll notice that the solid ice cube starts to melt, turning into liquid water. What was once a rigid cube is now taking the shape of the glass, flowing freely. As the ice cube absorbs heat, its molecules start vibrating faster and spread apart, causing the change in state. If we continue to heat that liquid water, it turns into water vapor, a gas. You can see this happening as steam rises from the heated water. We've seen firsthand that matter can transition between different states, solid, liquid, and gas, all depending on the amount of heat present. Now that we've explored the states of matter, let's dive into the exciting world of chemical changes. And what better way to do that than with a classic experiment involving two common household ingredients, baking soda and vinegar. Gather your materials, a cup, some vinegar, and a spoonful of baking soda. Pour some vinegar into the cup. About halfway full should do the trick. Carefully add the spoonful of baking soda to the vinegar and watch what happens. You'll see a bubbling, fizzing frenzy taking place right before your eyes. The baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and vinegar, acetic acid, are reacting to create carbon dioxide gas, a byproduct of the chemical reaction. This is a classic example of a chemical change, where the original substances are transformed into something entirely different. Hold on to your lab goggles, science explorers, because things are about to get a little messy and a lot more fascinating. We're diving into the world of non-Newtonian fluids. Meet oobleck, a substance that acts like both a solid and a liquid. You'll need cornstarch and water. Pour a cup of cornstarch, slowly add water and mix. Start playing with your oobleck. Squeeze it and it solidifies. Release and it oozes back. Pressure makes it solid. Remove pressure and it flows. Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. Science is full of surprises. Get ready to inflate your minds, and maybe a balloon or two, as we explore the incredible expanding power of gases. For this experiment, you'll need a balloon, an empty bottle, a glass one works best, and a container large bottle. Take your balloon and give it a good stretch. Place the opening of the balloon over the mouth of the empty bottle. Fill your larger container with hot water. Not boiling hot, but warm enough to feel the heat. Lower the bottle into the hot water bath. Watch as the balloon slowly begins to inflate. The air inside the bottle, like all gases, is made up of tiny particles that are constantly in motion. When you heat the energy of those air particles. As those air particles gain energy, they move faster and spread further apart, causing the air inside the bottle to expand and inflate the balloon. Get ready for a colorful exploration of density, the property that determines whether an object sinks or floats. You'll need a tall glass and various liquids with different densities. Suggestions include honey, corn syrup, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, and rubbing alcohol. Start with a layer of honey, then add corn syrup. Continue with dish soap, water, vegetable oil, and rubbing alcohol. Observe the mesmerizing rainbow effect. Drop a small object and watch what happens. Does it sink or float on a layer? Density determines where it settles. Matter is everywhere and has fascinating properties that we can explore in fun ways. Whether it's changing states, reacting with other substances, or behaving in weird ways, like oobleck, the world of matter is full of surprises. From the smallest atom to the largest star, matter makes up everything we see and interact with. Understanding its properties and behaviors helps us make sense of the world around us and opens up a universe of possibilities for exploration and discovery. What was your favorite experiment? Let us know. And hey, If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to School Subjects Online for more fascinating journeys into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.